Proposition 26. I propose that over time we will be able to build a set of mathematical formulas to describe the cosmic events that formed our visible universe. Not only the pockets themselves will be named, but each pair of objects that collided will be given names. They will be assigned relative trajectories and relative velocities and angles of impact and degrees of impact. They will be assigned an object classification roughly related to its approximate density and size, and there will be formulas for the amount of original mass, kinetic energy released, heat released, and angular momentum retained by the resulting spinning clouds of superhot quark-gluon plasma energy. I propose a new branch of superluminal physics will evolve. I might even be so bold as to predict that over time we may try to piecemeal together the timeline of events and possibly see where a latecomer to the party may have cleared away a section of a galaxy that might have otherwise been populated. Our known universe probably did not originate from a singularity, but instead there may have been hundreds or thousands of singularities involved. However, if there was in fact a single one, it was a faster-than-light collision with an object from a foreign pocket of space-time that caused it to turn into a hot spinning cloud of plasma.